OMT hose clamp pliers set. So I got this because my 10-year-old eBay special hose clamp pliers with the cable on it is now broken. So in the garbage with this and out with a different one. Out with this cable tool. It looks to be really nice. Better than my other one, so let's see how long it lasts. Comes with this new cable stop. This is for adjusting the cable as it stretches. We'll just go through the pliers here. This is just for your regular spring clamp style hose clamp. Same thing here. Fiat and Jeep like to use hose clamps that require these. This is useless. I'll probably never use this. It's truly not a bad kit for the money. $39.99 on Amazon. Just the cable tool alone, I think, is worth that. The rest of these things are more of a bonus. Like I said, my last one was probably like $10, $15 10 years ago. So if we get my money out of it, it'll be all right.